Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of chasing one-off sales and want to dive into real AI king kwetsenschuster from James Renouf and Max Gerstenmeyer.
Now, let's talk about the biggest problem for local businesses in 2026, speed to lead. If they don't respond to a lead in 5 minutes, they lose them. That's a huge problem, and Replic8 claims to solve it by putting you in charge of an automated AI receptionist that answers calls, follows up, and books appointments 24/7. Sounds great on paper, right? But does it actually work for beginners, or is this just another shiny object? Let's find out. So what exactly is a Replic8? In simple terms, it's an AI-driven business in a box designed for the AI automation agency, or AAA model. But here's the best part. You're not building complex chatbots from scratch. Replic8 provides you with pre-configured AI workflows. You become the middleman, deploying an AI system to local businesses. Think dentists, plumbers, roofers that can answer inbound calls instantly, text back missed calls to start a conversation, follow up with leads who didn't book, and the Holy Grail, schedule appointments directly into their calendar. And here's their genius Trojan Horse strategy. Instead of hard selling a found service, you give the business a free 48-hour trial. Once they see the AI booking real appointments while they sleep, turning it off becomes irrational. Businesses hate payroll, and they really hate missed revenue. Replic8 solves both. It replaces an expensive human receptionist with a tireless AI that costs a fraction and works 10x harder. So what makes Replic8 stand out? Zero technical barrier. Seriously, you don't need to code or be a prompt engineer. Replic8 gives you the pre-trained AI. You just deploy it. This is massive. You don't need to be a pushy salesperson. The appointments on their calendar do all the selling for you. It's evidence-based closing. This isn't one-off affiliate commissions. This is about building monthly recurring revenue, $1 a month. That's a stable, scalable, 6-figure income. This is the holy grail for online business. Then there are a few optional OTOs or one-off offers designed to help you scale up strangers. Things like traffic sources, hit me marching campaign bills, but honestly, the front end alone gives you everything you need to get started. Let's talk about what it costs. The front end Replic8 Core is just $17. That gives you the core AI closing system and the try before you buy framework. It's an absolute steal for the potential. Low entry cost. At $17, the barrier to entry is almost non-existent for what you could potentially earn. Proven model. It attacks a huge current problem for businesses, missed leads. Pros. Scalable. Once you set it up for one client, it's pretty much a copy-paste process for the next. Location independent. You can run this agency from anywhere in the world. Cons. Requires outreach. This isn't set it and forget it money. You do need to reach out to businesses to offer that free trial. Instruction dependent. It's not a system for improvising early on. So is Replic8 worth it? Absolutely yes. If you're serious about building a real online business with recurring income, Replic8 an indispensable partner by solving a critical problem for local businesses. My final score is a solid 9.5 out of 10. You're just selling a service, you're selling results, and that's the most powerful currency in business. If you want to get started with Replic8 and finally build that recurring income agency, I've put a link directly to the official Replic8 page in the description below. Go check it out. If you found this review helpful, please hit that like button, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and strategies to build your online business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.